Hello cutie audience, welcome to Flamingo's Amazing World. It's Manya there. So today I am gonna know you a simple pinky smoky eye look. So firstly, I am doing my eyebrows. It's a simple technique that you can see. Nextly, I am using concealer of the lighter shade I am having. And I also used a primer before it for a good coverage for the eyeshadow, and blend it gently with a sponge or anything you have for the blending. And the nextly I am using a beige brown color eyeshadow for my crease. It looks really beautiful in the simple eye look. Nextly I am using a hot pink beautiful color under my crease. It is a very beautiful pink color. I am obsessed. And then blend the both colors gently along beige colors. Lastly I am using black color at my outer corner. You can use white color also for